All right, so here's why. When you're approaching people in sales, you tend to lose them a bit. It's because really in selling, there's a very distinct style that most people adopt. And it's something that buyers are really used to now. And you probably don't realize you're doing it until I pick you up on it right here. So what you find is that people talk a lot about their process. And what that looks like is the seller, you basically talking about all the things you're going to do for the buyer. So you're like, we're going to do this, then we'll do this, then we'll do this. And that's all well and good. It's kind of needed. They need to know what stuff you'll be doing with them. But it's also kind of boring because it's not important for them as much as two other things. So I want you to remember this acronym. It's BPO. So BPO stands for belief, process, and then outcomes. So the crucial part is before you do your process, you need to make them feel good about this idea that you're going to help them. Give them a bit of self-belief first. It could be something as simple as, I'm really good at this. By the way, I know I can do well with this, or something along those lines, something to make them think, okay, this person seems to think they know what they're doing. Show them you're self-confident, show them you know what you're talking about, show the belief. B. P is the process. Now here's how it's going to look. We'll do this, and here's what we'll be doing, and this is what the process looks like. You kind of need to, but don't dwell on it too much, because that's the thing they care about least. They don't care how you're going to work, they care more importantly about what they're going to get, and that's O. O is outcomes. That's crucial because with outcomes, you're telling them what they're going to get, how they win. The outcomes is about saying, here's what matters to you. Here's what you'll get. Here's how you'll win as a result of doing these things. So start with belief. I know I can do this. Then process. Here's how it will look. And then end it with outcomes. You're going to get this as a result. So the crucial elements, bookending the process part, are then making them feel, you know what? I think this person's got this. I think they seem to know what they're talking about, and they buy confidence. They really do. And then the other side is them thinking, I see how I will benefit as a result, because they're always interested in how they're going to win. Try it next time, BPO instead of just P, and you'll definitely find that they're way more interested in hearing the process and more interested in moving it forward at the end because they're hearing how they win as well. Check out these suggested videos, they're really similar. These kind of tips are the little nuances that really add up to make the difference.